I still blink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the brand new well, not brand new, but my new UE Boom 3. This video is being recorded on my iPad today, so sorry if the video quality is a bit bad. Because I'm using my phone for other stuff today. See, he's finally get to see my phone. But yeah, I actually couldn't resist, and I've already opened this already, but I wanted to do the whole setup and everything with you guys. So yeah, okay. I'm just rendering videos over here as well. So if I'm off to the side doing stuff, that's what I'm doing. And yeah. But anyway, so anyway, into the unboxing. So basically, when you get it, mine had a tape all around here. It has one of those little code thingies on the bottom. I don't know what they are, like for protection. But this has 360% degree sound, 15-hour charge, pause, play, and all that buttons. Drop proof from 1.5 meters. Haha, social distancing, kids. And it is waterproof. IP67. I don't know what that means. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna open this up. I got the purple color because it was cute, and it does say 199. Well, you can't read that because I'm using my front-facing camera and I'm not doing the effort of flipping the video. So, but it was $199 Australian AUD down to $169 AUD. I don't know what that is in American, but I'll put it here for you guys so you know how much it was. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So basically when you get it, there's like tape and then these little pull tabs that you just peel off, and then that comes off. We don't need that. Need that. This is what the front of the box looks like, bottom of the box, top of the box. It's just all black. You just peel this open and you open up to reveal. It's so nice. What does it smell like? It smells good, but I don't know what it smells like. So you've got your like get to know it. So it's got like some stuff here, and then you've got your speaker. So I also have a Mega Boom at my dad's, but I'm not at my dad's. I'm down in Brisbane, as you would know from my previous videos. If you don't, hi, welcome to my channel. But yeah. So basically, you can actually buy these little charging pads for UE Booms now separately, where basically you just stick it on top of that and it charges it through this little thing. And there also is the little protective micro USB? Yeah, micro USB cord, which it does come with. And then it says Ultra Ears. You got your volume up and volume down. You have your pair button, your power on button, and your pause play button, skip and all that. Also in the box, you have your little warranty slip and everything. And you also have your cable, which is normally nicely wrapped, but I took it off. So yeah, this is actually a white cord. The normal ones used to come with yellow cords, but I don't know what happened to that. I'm just gonna unplug one of my cords. Pretty sure that was my Apple Pencil cord. And we're just gonna plug it in the charge, I guess. Yeah, just like that. Is it charging? I don't know if it's charging. Okay. But anyway. And does it tell us? I don't know. Anyway. So yeah. I'm gonna do a screen recording on my phone so you can see what I'm doing. on here, so that'll be on screen probably here. So yeah, so you just download the UE Boom app, and I'm just gonna allow it. Yes, sure, I can have my analytics. Now we're gonna power it up. It has power.
Please download the Boom and Mega Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
It spoke to me. Okay, so we're just gonna press Boom 3, and we're gonna. Are you blinking? It's not blinking. So basically, as you can see, it's telling me press and hold. 2, 3. Oh, okay. I have to go into my Bluetooth settings. Okay. So we'll go into my Bluetooth and connect that. That didn't scare me. Okay, it slightly scared me. Coming back to the app. Oh, cool. So now that we've got that, we're going to link it with my Apple Music because that's all I use. And yeah, I'm gonna just wait. So I'm gonna add that one. And we'll press done. Press and hold magic for 2 seconds to launch your selection. Okay. Long press to skip again. Even when off. To turn on speaker. Launch all set. Cool. So we got that. We can connect multiple speakers. So if I wanted.
Please download the Boom and Mega Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Why did it disconnect? Like, hello? I did download the app. It's on, apparently. Hello? Why did you disconnect? Fuck, that shit scares me. So yeah. Can I? Okay. Now that we got that, ooh. Shit, I dropped my phone. We're gonna just go into my music. What should we play? Something? Okay. I don't know. I don't want to get copyrighted, but okay. Sure. Are you playing? Speaker? Hello? Yeah. Okay, I don't know why this isn't playing like it's supposed to be. Like, what? Oh, no. Okay. I can make it as an alarm. Okay, there we go. Wait, hold up, what was that? Forget this device. Cool. What the frick? So we're just gonna forget. And then I'll put it back in pairing mode. So, fuck. So that's how you change the name of it. You turn it back on, pairing mode. You can see this on screen. I don't know why I did that. But yeah. So then we see, now it has my playlist. Okay, hello. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm just gonna go onto my music. And I don't know why it's not playing, but I will figure that out. Yeah, doesn't want to play. That's cool. It's probably because it's low battery or something. Settings. Okay, there we go. Can I delete that? Yeah. Now I just want to go to my music. Play my music. My phone? Where's my phone? Okay, I think there's something wrong with my phone. Because my phone's not playing music either. Oh, I'm screen recording. I just realized that. So you guys won't be able to see this, but basically, okay. Now we're gonna just test the speaker. I hope I wasn't recording. Oh shit, that was my phone, not the speaker. Oh god, this could be loud. Strike if I do. But yeah, that was... Okay, how loud does it go?
The power to
Okay, yeah, that's loud. Cool. So yeah, that was my review. Hey Siri, turn off UE Boom.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Bitch. Okay. Okay, well, just to quickly show you a little bit more. So this is going to be popping back up here. So basically you can go into your UE Boom. Got it. So you can go into and you can press the little power button down here and you can turn it off. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna sit that on my table over here, and if I press the same button, I can power it on and it'll connect to my phone. And then I can jam out to some music. So yeah, basically that was my unboxing of the UE Boom 3. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't that good because I'm horrible at this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!